Hello guys, welcome to W Fixing today. So we are going to solve the problem that is we have our topic that is how to solve Windows 11 or 12 high RAM memory usage issues. So for that we are going to see some solutions that will work for you and your PC so that you can get the read out of it. Okay. So we have some solutions, that is our method one is close unnecessary running programs and applications. So for that I will open task manager from here. Okay, I will open the task manager by typing here, and you can see here the app history, the performance and the processes. So from here in the disk part you can see here an in task. If you find any background apps running here, that is I can see here the background app VSDC is one of the background app is running here and it's taking too much CPU. Also you can see here the MongoDB database server, it's also taking some. Okay, so I will end task to it. So that's where you can end task of your apps from here. So that was our first solution, guys. Method 2 is disable programs running from startup. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to open a task manager. So press Ctrl Alt Delete keys, select the task manager and click on startup in task manager. Right click on the applications that you don't want to run from startup and select disable. So again we will open the task manager from here. You can see, after that what you have to do is click on the startup in task manager and right click on the applications that you don't want to run from startup. So if I don't want to run a Discord bit, I will click on end task and I will right click on that MongoDB and I can disable that. Okay, I can disable that from here. Okay, so that was the first solution, sorry, that was our second solution. So third is defragment hard drive and adjust for best performances. So you don't need to worry, I will tell you how to do that. So press Windows plus R at a time, guys, Windows plus R, then you can see here the run dialog in front of me is pop up. Then what you have to type is type DFRGUI. I will type here DFRGUI and click on OK. So it's opened that app optimized drives. Okay, then defragment and optimized drives to open this app and click on the hard drives, that is click on the hard drives, you can see here, and click optimize, you can see here optimize, you can see here optimize. So that's you have to do that in this. Okay, so lastly close this tab. So this can be the solution of this problem again. And fourth is fix disk file system errors, that will not see in this video, we will see in the video. And next is increase virtual memory. So for that what you have to do is right click on this PC and select properties. Okay, so right click on this PC and select the properties. So there is no any this PC option from here that I have recommended, but what we have to do is we have to open advanced system settings. Okay, so I will type here advanced system settings. Okay, view advanced system settings, I will click on OK. So in that you have to go to advanced, then click on settings. So you will see here the tab pop up in front of us and click on again advanced. and this on this you have to check change here. Okay, after clicking on that, automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. You have to select that. Okay, and you have to select that and click on OK. Okay, so that was one of the solution, guys, for this problem. Okay, so next solution is increase physical memory or set registry hack. So for setting a registry hack, so what we will do is we will click on Windows plus R, that is we will type Windows plus R at a time, so it will run a run dialog. Then after, what we have to do is type regedit from here, regedit, and I will click OK and click on S. So you can see here, I will close this tab, and we will go step by step to the folder, required folder. Okay, so first is we have to expand the HEKI local machines. Okay, HEKI local machines, in that you have to open the system. Okay, then what we have to do is we have to open the current control set from here. So I have opened current control set. Then we have to open the control from here. I have opened the control. In the control, that we have to open the session manager. So you will find the file, that is session manager from here, that is session manager. So expand this session manager from here, and memory management, click on the memory management. Okay, so find and right click on the page file at shutdown. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to click on memory management now, and you have to find the clear page file at shutdown. Okay, clear page file at shutdown. So then we have to right click, modify. Okay, then you have to type the value is 0 to 1, click on OK. So that's it for this, guys. This was one of the solution. Again, our next solution is increase physical memory. How to increase that? So check the physical memory size, click on the PC, select properties. Okay, so for that what you have to do is you have to open the task manager, click OK, open. Then what you will do is go to performance, and you have to go to memory, and you can check here the 8 GB memory is here, 3.2 GB is available, cached, and all these stuffs. Okay, then you can purchase the new memory card and add it to your PC, or if the memory is filled up. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for the video. Thanks.